Contractions. For this lesson you will need page 43 and 44 in the Time to Read workbook and the contraction videos. In this lesson you will learn what contractions are, as well as understand the position of the apostrophe. Boys and girls, have you noticed that sometimes we are in a hurry and rather than saying two words, we make one word out of the two words? I want you to tell me what you notice how we spell that one word. Is not to isn't. Watch what happens. Can you tell me what you just saw? Are not to aren't. Did you notice the same thing happening? Was not to wasn't. Are you starting to see a pattern? Were not to weren't. I'm sure you are noticing that we are always dropping the "o" in not, but we are replacing it with an apostrophe. Let's see if the same thing happens in do not. We drop the "o" and replace it with an apostrophe. So the apostrophe cannot be anywhere in the word. It takes the place of the missing letter. Does not to doesn't. Did not to didn't. Boys and girls, please take note that for two words we replace more than one letter. Cannot to can't, we replace the n and the o. And will not to won't. Watch what happens. Now please turn to page 43 in your workbook. On top we read what contractions are. They are a shorter way of saying something, and the apostrophe takes the place of the missing letters. Cut along the right-hand side until you reach the dot. Fold over the flap. Complete the contractions. Match them to the correct sentence and copy the sentence in your workbook. At the bottom, read the contractions and write the correct two words onto the caterpillar's legs. Please also do page 44 in your workbook. After this lesson, you should know what contractions are, and you should also know how to write contractions and understand the position of the apostrophe.